Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 8 chapter 2 exponent and index, that is called power. 2 by 3 to the power 5, that means this is called the base and this is power. So you understand what is called the base and what is called the power. Now some formulas of exponent and index I will write up and explain also. So your first formula first is a to the power n, that means a into a into a into a n times. For example, 2 to the power 5, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 is right 5 times in the multiplication form and we get the result. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 or 16 2s are 32. Your next is a to the power minus n. That means 1 by a to the power n. That means 1 by a into a into a into so on n times. For example, 2 to the power minus 3. That means 1 by 2 to the power 3. When power is negative, the base becomes reciprocal. That means reverse it. Here 2 by 1, that means 1 by 2 to the power 3. That means 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, that means 1 by 8. Your third is if a to the power m into a to the power n. That means a to the power m plus n. These are base. Base are same. Base same. Power different. Power different. In the multiplication form, power must be added. For example, 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. That means 2 to the power 2 plus 3. That means 2 to the power 5. That's your answer. In the fourth formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. That means a to the power m minus n. When base are same and power are different in the division form, power should be minus. That means 2 to the power, for example, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 2. That means 2 to the power 5 minus 2. That means 2 to the power 3. In the next formula, if a to the power m whole to the power n, that means a to the power m into n. For example, 2 to the power 2 or whole to the power 3, that means 2 to the power 2 into 3, that means 2 to the power 6. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32, 32 2 are 64. In this way you can find these numbers. In the sixth, if a to the power 0, their value is 1. Any base whose power is 0, the result is 1. 3 to the power 0, the result is 1. 7 number question, 7 number formula. If a to the power m into b to the power m, base different, power same, then base are multiplied and power are simply m. A b to the power m, a into b. दैट मीन्स एग्जाम्पल के तौर इफ फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, that means 2 into 3 to the power 2, that means 6 to the power 2, that means 36. Similar in the division form. A to the power m divided by b to the power m, that means a divided by b to the power m. For example, 2 to the power 2 divided by 4 to the power 2, that means 2 by 4 to the power 2, that means 1 by 2 to the power 2, that means 1 by 4, and that's your answer. In this way you can solve all the problems of exercise 2.1. If you have any problem, you must be contact to me, and I will explain some problems given in your book. For example, solution: 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1. Power 2 into minus 5 divided 8 to the power minus 1. So solve it. That means 2 to the power minus 1, that means 1 by 2 to the power 1 divided by 1 by 5 to the power 1 whole square into minus 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. Now 1 by 2 into 5 by 1 to the power 2 into minus 5 by 8. Sorry, it becomes its reciprocal negative, so it is 8 by minus 5. That means 5 by 2 the whole square into 8 by minus 5. That means 5 into 5 by 2 into 2 into 8 by minus 5. 5 cancel, 2 say 4, 2 say 2, that means 5 2s are 10. 10 by minus 1, that means minus 10, and that's your answer. Another example, another one question, I will also solve it. Some problems on the exponent and index. Your first question is find the value of m. That means 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. This is in the division form. So we know that when bases are equal and powers are different, so 5 is common, m minus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. Now their bases are equal, so base are cancels, and m minus plus 3 equal to 5. So that m equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. And in this way we can solve like this type of questions. So your second question is 3x minus 4, 2 to the power 3x minus 4 equal to 64, or 2 to the power 3x minus 4 equal to, when 64 is factorized, so we got 2 to the power 6. So that their base are same, so base are cancelled, and 3x minus 4 equal to 6, or 3x equal to 6 plus 4, that means 10. That means x equal to 10 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, or 32 2s are 3. So your result is 10 by 3. The value of x equal to this. Now your third question is 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 or by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. So it should be written as 1 by 3 to the power 5. It should be written as into 1 by 5 to the power 7 into 1 by 6 to the power 5. It should be written as 1 by 3 to the power 5 into 1 by 10 to the power 5 into 5 3s are 125. So their numerators comes in the denominator. It's also reversed. So it should be written as 1 by 3 to the power 5. It should be written as into 5 to the power 7 into 1. And this should be written as 1 into 6 to the power 5. This should be written as into 1 into 10 to the power 5. This should be written as 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 7. That means 5 to the power 10 into 6 to the power 5 or by 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. Now it should be written like 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. It's a 4 times 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times into 6 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 3, 1, 2, 3 in 4, 5 into 10 to the power 5, 10, 5 times. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. This 2 is cancelled by that. So your result is 5 into 5 into 5 5s are 25, 125, 625, 3125. That means 3125 and that's your result. In this way you can solve exercise 2.1 of the power index and exponent and power. If you have any problem you must be contact on my number. That's my WhatsApp number 99340 85637. In this way you can solve all the problems of index, exponent and index exercise 2.1.